Welcome to the Lawn and Garden channel, your go-to channel for helpful tips on lawn and garden care. Today, we are going to give a countdown of 10 essential tips for watering your lawn. Stay tuned and let's get started. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Number 10. Early morning watering. Water your lawn early in the morning, ideally between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. This reduces evaporation and allows grass to absorb moisture before the heat of the day. Morning watering also helps prevent diseases that can occur when grass stays wet overnight. Number 9. Deep watering. Water your lawn deeply but infrequently. Aim for about 1 inch of water per week, including rainfall. Deep watering encourages roots to grow deeper, making your lawn more drought-resistant and healthier overall. Number 8. Avoid overwatering. Overwatering can lead to lawn diseases and wasted water. Use a rain gauge to track how much water your lawn receives from rainfall and irrigation. Adjust your watering schedule based on this information to avoid overwatering. Number 7. Efficient sprinkler use. Set your sprinkler system to water in the early morning. Adjust the sprinklers to avoid runoff and ensure they cover the entire lawn evenly. Use timers to automate the process and save time. Number 6. Correct mowing. During hot months, keep your lawn a bit longer, about 3 to 4 inches. Taller grass retains moisture better, shades the soil, and reduces evaporation. Avoid cutting more than 1/3 of the grass blade length at a time. Number 5. Soil moisture check. Before watering, check the soil moisture by pushing a screwdriver into the ground. If it goes in easily, your lawn has enough water. If you encounter resistance, it's time to water. Number 4. Lawn aeration. Aerating your lawn helps water penetrate the soil more effectively. This promotes healthy root growth and improves water absorption. Aerate your lawn once or twice a year, ideally in the spring and fall. Number 3. Adjust for shade. Shaded areas of your lawn require less water than sunny areas. Monitor these areas and adjust your watering schedule to prevent overwatering in the shade. Number 2. Use mulch. Apply a thin layer of mulch around trees and garden beds. Mulch helps retain soil moisture, reduces evaporation, and keeps the soil temperature stable. This can lead to a healthier lawn overall. Number 1. Observe your lawn. Keep an eye on your lawn for signs of stress, such as wilting, discoloration, or dry patches. These signs can indicate that your lawn needs more water. Adjust your watering schedule based on these observations and current weather conditions. By following these essential tips, you can ensure your lawn stays lush and green all season long. Thanks for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe.